Imagine a kitchen where one appliance replaces a dozen gadgets, saves you hours of prep time, and delivers mouth-watering meals that impress even the pickiest eaters. Sounds like a dream, right? Meet this Ninja FD401 LP3 Foodi 12-in-1. Deluxe XL 8-quart. Pressure, cooker and air fryer, a game changer that's redefining home cooking. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a culinary adventurer, this versatile powerhouse is here to make your kitchen life easier, faster, and tastier. Let's dive into why this appliance is a must-have for every modern kitchen. Why the Ninja Foodi FD401 stands out. The Ninja Foodi FD401 isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a culinary revolution. With its 12-in-1 versatility, it combines the functions of a pressure cooker, air fryer, steamer, slow cooker, and more, all in one sleek stainless steel package. Its TenderCrisp technology is the secret sauce, letting you pressure cook to lock in juices and then air fry for that irresistible crispy finish. From frozen chicken wings to a golden roast, this machine delivers restaurant-quality results in a fraction of the time. But what makes it truly special? It's the thoughtful design and family-friendly features that cater to real-life needs. The 8-quart ceramic-coated pot is perfect for feeding a crowd, while the 5-quart cook and crisp basket can handle a 7-pound chicken with ease. Plus, it's Nonstick, PTFE/PFOA-free, and dishwasher-safe, so cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're whipping up a weeknight dinner or hosting a holiday feast, the Ninja Foodi FD401 has you covered. Key features that make it a kitchen hero. Let's break down the standout features that make the Ninja Foodi FD401 a top choice for home cooks. 12 programmable cooking functions: pressure cook, air fry, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear, saute, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, sous vide, and keep warm. It's like having a whole kitchen in one appliance. TenderCrisp Technology. Pressure cook to tenderize, then air fry for a crispy, golden exterior. Think juicy ribs with a crunchy crust in under an hour. Extra large 8-quart capacity. Feed the whole family or meal prep for the week with a pot that handles large roasts, casseroles, or up to 9 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs. 5-quart. Cook and crisp basket. Air fry a 7-pound chicken or pile in fries for guilt-free snacking with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Deluxe reversible rack. Steam, broil, or layer meals to cook mains and sides simultaneously, saving time and effort. User-friendly interface. The enhanced digital display and dial make selecting functions a snap, even for beginners. 14 safety features. Rigorous testing ensures peace of mind so you can cook confidently without worrying about mishaps. 45 recipe. Cookbook. Get inspired with chef-crafted recipes that show off the foodie's versatility from breakfast to dessert. Benefits that solve real cooking problems. The Ninja Foodi FD401 isn't just about fancy features, it solves everyday cooking challenges with ease. Here's how it transforms your kitchen experience. Saves time. Pressure cooking cuts. Cooking time by up to 70% compared to traditional methods. Go from frozen to crispy in as little as 20 minutes. Reduces kitchen clutter. With 12 functions in one, you can ditch multiple appliances, freeing up counter space in small kitchens or RVs. Healthier meals. Air fry with little to no oil for crispy results with up to 75% less fat. Perfect for guilt-free indulgence. Family-friendly. The large capacity and reversible rack make it easy to cook for big gatherings or picky eaters with enough room for layered 360 meals. Easy cleanup. Non-stick dishwasher-safe components mean less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Who is the Ninja FD401 LP3 This appliance is a dream come true for a wide range of home cooks, busy parents. Whip up quick, healthy meals for the family without sacrificing flavor. Meal prep enthusiasts. Cook large batches to stock your fridge or freezer for the week. Small space dwellers. Perfect for apartments, RVs, or tiny kitchens where counter space is precious. Health-conscious cooks. Air fry and dehydrate for nutritious snacks and meals with less oil. Entertainers. Impress guests with restaurant-quality dishes, from tender roasts to crispy appetizers. Why it's worth the investment. At around $199.99 with frequent sales on Amazon, the Ninja FD401 is a steal compared to buying separate pressure cookers, air fryers, and slow cookers. It's pricier than basic models, but the 12-in-1 functionality, premium stainless steel finish, and ability to cook for 8 to 10 people make it a smart long-term investment. Plus, the included recipe book and accessories, like the reversible rack and crisp basket, add instant value. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.